guys, I'm Jen.
And I'm Chris.
And we're with Monsters and More.
So today we're going to do a little tutorial for the
servo skeleton.
Servo skeleton from Hide and Eek that Target sells. This is last year's edition, but they do have it on sale this year also.
Yeah, it's still out of stock right now, though. I just checked the other day. Super cool. I loved it. We drove, I know, everywhere last year trying to find it, and happened to walk into.
Yeah, I think we went to literally almost every Target within 180 miles, I think, and we went to multiple times also. And finally, we found it. I walked in. I think it was in the Bowling Green store, and I was like, "There it is, baby! There it is! We found it!" And she was so happy. Because she'd been dying to have this one. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it together. It's pretty simple anyways. You look at the instructions and stuff, but then we're going to let it play so you can see what it looks like. And like I said, she loved it, and it was pretty cool. We got a lot of compliments when we had our Halloween party, and so
we had him standing at the door greeting everybody coming in. So it was really neat.
Yeah. So we'll get started on this and start putting it together. So we got the A and the B. A is on the left, B is on the right. You've got two small C's that you put together.
Here, give me the ones from behind.
You got to push your button in. There you go. All right, and then on the A side, you get F put in. You got to put the feet on first. Let's see. Go ahead and slide them over it. And which one is that one? That's the G goes on the B side.
And on these lower bones, they will have the hole cut out in the back. That's for your push button back there.
All right, I think these have to go on the bottom first. I think that's what it was. I forgot since last year. So you do have to put your lower ones on before you put the legs on. We haven't done this since last year. There is a hole in the bottom leg that's a little cut out for the push pin, so you can push them on and then take them off. And then you slide the calf bones on it, and it's kind of like little square notches that fits right down on top of the bottom ones. There you go. Now this is his midsection, so we will tell you, just so you know, we put the arms on it last year, and we did review the instructions, and it does not show where to take these apart. So when we took it apart, you only take the head off and the bottom part. You do not take the arms off from what we seen, because these are like pressed in, and once they snap in, they're there.
If anybody does have this, leave it in the comments if you were able to get your arms off afterwards. We always try to utilize and put our stuff back in the boxes each year. He was a little difficult this year.
Got yours?
Yep. And again, on the back of his, I guess his butt, he's got holes that you can see where the push pins go on that.
Yeah, I'm going to take this one. Is that one? I think that one's. All right. And then all you do is put the head on. So it does have a screw in. Here, can you hold this for me? It's got a little notch that you got to line up, and then you screw it together. And then all it does is twist and turn in. And then it just twists and turns in. Well, let's plug her in first, and then we'll. And like I said, this is very simple. It took us roughly 10 minutes or so.
Hold on, he's got to set himself.
Yeah. And you see, you can turn it on to where it's not on the sensor, and it'll just run. And then you can turn it on sensor, and you do want to make sure that wherever you set it at, that it's got room, because he does do a lot of swinging and his arms are moving, and it will hit stuff. So you have to watch where it's doing it at, where you set it at. Yeah, there you go.
Oh, it's such a spooky night. It chills me to the bone.
His sensor is right here in his pelvic. Hey, watch out. His sensor's right here in his pelvic bone.
Yeah, I think his arm's up way too high on this one. And the arms are adjustable, so you can set them.
All right.
Oh, it's such a spooky night. It chills me to the bone.
It may take you a few minutes to get your arms just right. That way they'll set where they should. But we love it. We got a lot of compliments on it when people was doing the walkthrough for our haunted house and Halloween party. So
Gimme. These bones don't move like they used to. Happy Halloween! Ah, yes! So spooky and fun! Yes!
So he's very clear. I absolutely just fell in love with him. He's just very different. It's just something out of the ordinary from everything that we've got. But we loved him. If you guys get a chance to get him from Target, definitely jump on it.
Don't be scared.
yeah, and you do have to make sure that you lock these arms out, because that's why it was kind of flinging all over the place. They got little locks here to lock them in place, so it's not doing that. But the arms are self-adjustable. You can set them in different places, depending on where you want it at and how you want him to look. So, but I think overall we give this a 10 out of 10.
Absolutely.
It's very good. It was $150 for an animatronic. It's roughly 5.6 foot tall, which you can tell Jen is just a little bit shorter than that. But
I'm 5 foot.
So.
It chills me to the bone.
And I think it winds up giving, I think it's 4 different verses that it speaks.
All right, guys.
So that's all we've got today. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll keep trying to bring you great content. We do a lot of different stuff. We do some Temu stuff we're going to have coming up video shortly that we ordered off Temu of reviews and stuff. And just keep looking at the channel, and we'll keep loading some different videos on different stuff. And I think we got some code oranges getting ready to come up here within a couple of weeks. We're going to have Lowe's and Home Depot. Also, we'll probably start visiting some haunted houses and stuff. And this weekend on Saturday, we're from Kentucky, so Louisville is having Caulfield's show, which is going to be a big day. They've got, I think it said 30 vendors are going to be there. So we're going to do a video on that, and we will load that. So, and that's all we have for today.
Yep.
Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you again.
Thanks, guys.